Hey, welcome to the channel, guys. It's your boy Gucci Torch. Today we're gonna be doing our first unboxing. Yeah, it's called the Yeti Blackout. I don't know if you can see that there. Blackout. And I don't see anything like substantial about it. Right there. Ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. This cost me about $130 on Amazon. And just the mic alone didn't come with the stand or anything. I already had those, so but $130, that's what you get for this guy. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's open this bad boy up. Oof. If I can even open it up. Okay. Well, I guess I can't even open it up. Jeez. I'm trying not to go far. I'm trying not to get up out of my seat and grab anything. I just want to do everything right here. See if I can use one of my debit cards or something to open it. Who knows? And we got it. Look at that. Yes. Who knew? And just like that, we're opening it. Take a look at this box though, man. It's pretty animated. It's got like all these like little Yeti characters and stuff on it. Pretty cool. This is right here. A Yeti. And I think that's like its definition of it. Yeti, noun, legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. That's funny. Sea abominable snowman. And then definition number 2, they have an incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. That's very ingenious. I think that's pretty great in marketing. I like that. That's pretty great. And then yeah, you just same thing, same deal here. Just more stuff. That's in Spanish. Little cute little Yetis. That's dope, man. But check this out. You get yourself a mute button, a master volume, so there are 2 buttons on the front side of it, and that's awesome. It looks like you can control the gain on the mic, on the actual mic. So like typically in software, I'll like add filters to where like you can control the gain to plus or minus or anything like that. But it looks like you can do it directly from the mic. That's freaking awesome. $130 for that, eh? 4 polar pattern selector, stereo, cardioid. I have no clue what that means. Omni and bidirectional. Oh, I get you. Okay, so that must be the input, like the way that it picks up sound. Because so what bidirectional means is, I actually don't know what that means. Whatever. Okay, so we'll find out. Frickin' A. Look at that. So they give you definitions right here in the backside. So stereo is going to be just kind of anything around the mic. It'll pick up anything around the mic. Bidirectional is going to be right in front of each other. So if one's talking on this side of the mic, it can also directly pick up the guy right in front of him. You know what I mean? At least that's what the picture shows right there. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's like 2 guys facing the mic. It's pretty dope. Omnidirectional, that's just like from everywhere. That's pretty cool. And then cardioid. Oh, and the cardioid is like 180 from your position of the mic, or the mic's position from you. That's freaking awesome, man. Let's open it. Oh, a little stuck here. Ah, what do you know? It's a box within a box. Cool. Well, we'll put this to the side for now. Sheer force is the answer. Oh my gosh. Ah! So this is why you always have like a box cutter or something on you, or some kind of sharp object. I got nothing in the room with me, and frankly I don't want to get up and get one. So sheer force is the way. Let's go. And got ourselves like a little USB cable here. What do we got under here? Oh, and lo and behold, here we are, guys. Jeez. Lo and behold. Oh, I don't want to. Very flimsy. Ah, look at that. And yeah, nothing special in there, just a little foam for the mic. Look at us. Look at us. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Oh man. Let's open this. What's that? Oh, well, hello. There's a hole at the bottom. Jeez, look at that. Look at that beast. This thing is pretty heavy, by the way. Some decadent, whatever. Dude, this thing's a freaking beast. Look at that. This thing is, yo, it's up there. It's heavier. It's definitely heavier. I do like the stand that it's on. I mean, these, you know, because typically, look at that. Look at that. because typically, you know, mics have like tripods or something very, you know, standard mics will have like tripods and whatnot. This has like, that is very unique. That's totally different. I like that. You know what I mean? And just probably this way. Oh man, that's like talk show host right there. That's like podcasting right there, man. Look at that. That looks dope. I'm gonna set this up on my arm. But yeah, guys, that's the Blue Yeti mic for you right there, man. Check this out. Very, very sleek. I love the color. And then you got your two controls there, the master volume, you got the mute there. And then on the back side, you have your gain control, and then your pattern for the 4 options that we were talking about: the bidirectional, the omni, the cardioid, and stereo. That's freaking dope, man. That's awesome. And so in like situations with like you know, using the patterns, I think it's best for like, you know, if you're in a room, if you're doing like podcasting, you don't want like, you wouldn't use like omni. You don't want to capture everything around you. You just want to catch what's right in front of you, which would be your voice. So that's pretty impressive, man. I love that they had that feature. You know, I definitely want to do a video where we're testing this, but hey, man, we unboxed it. This thing is freaking a beast. Look at this, man. And then you got your got all your fixtures down here. Looks like your little 3/4 thread there. You got a headphone input. That's freaking dope. A headphone input. I don't know what we'd use that for. And then we have the cable here. And this must be the USB that, I forget what that connection's called, but it's probably what we connect from to our computers. But that's awesome, man. But there you have it, guys. There is your blacked out Yeti. Hope you enjoyed it, man. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.